Up first this evening, the traffic changes implemented on Mandela Highway got another test today, which it failed miserably.
This as there were more vehicles linked to the reopening of the Hydale group of schools at Ferry in St. Catherine. The National Works Agency implemented changes, including a traffic light at the intersection with Tom Kringle Drive.
But based on the traffic issues on Monday and again this morning, it's just not working. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
Mandela Highway, 7:30 Tuesday morning. Traffic at a standstill. It's the very thing the National Works Agency NWA wanted to prevent by setting up the traffic light system at this intersection. But with the Hydale group of schools reopening Tuesday, there were more vehicles and more delays for motorists from Spanish Town and Portmore.
We get out early and reach late still. We want to reach before 8:45, 7:45 I mean. Yeah, so we still reach, but we reach late.
They need to do something. They need to do something about the traffic. Because the school, when we come to school, we must reach out here so by 7:30. And when we in our bus from all, before 6 o'clock, we not reach on time same way. So the traffic very bad.
On Monday, head of the JCF's Public Safety and Enforcement Branch, Senior Superintendent of Police Calvin Allen, said changes will be made to shorten the time for vehicles turning right onto Tom Kringle Drive. But that did not work on Tuesday, and so Superintendent Courtney Coober said more drastic measures were taken.
We have discontinued that process and to allow for the eastbound to flow undisturbed, as you see what is happening now. So I expect the traffic to flow very freely.
He says the abandonment of the traffic signal will be effective during peak morning traffic. This means that vehicles coming from the direction of Kingston seeking to make a right turn onto Tom Kringle Drive or to get to Hydale School will now have to journey to the Caymanas intersection, make a U-turn and head back on the other side to get to their destination. But there's also another suggestion from commuters who take the bus from Spanish Town to get to Kingston.
If I bring back the bus lane, because a lot of people on the bus, we're talking about the bus lane. And a lot of time I listen over the radio that people them calling and about the bus lane. And it better than bring back the bus lane because it's school time now. They need to do something.
Herman Green, TVJ News.